Welcome to Martino Ezugo Kitchen. This is not your normal regular egusi or melon soup, Let's just watch to the end. Let's see how we make this particular wonderful recipe. Egusi with fresh tomatoes. Trust me, this is very interesting. This is very yummy. And note, you can also do this with low budget. Don't think we need plenty money or you need, thousands or millions of, cash to do this particular recipe. This recipe, we find it helpful. After seeing my video and you like it, please do well to give us a thumb like. Very, very important. You have seen the way we are, cooking our stockfish head, our momo, our fish. If you have any protein of the choice, you can do well to add. All right, it's optional. Yes. Now we put in our, red oil or palm oil in language you can understand. Don't heat this palm oil more than 30 seconds. Once you put in palm oil, once it's heat up, do well to add your, fresh tomato sliced already. Then and cover, allow it to release its own juice. Don't allow it to done as if you want to, make stew. Then you cover again. If it's not okay to your own taste, you have seen the way it's looking, all right? Yes. After that, you add in your melon, grounded melon. This was, blended by me. So, we add it up. We do well to stir well to make sure that the melon, the fresh tomatoes mix together. Note, you have to do this thing with low fire to avoid your pot and everything get burned. As you are frying, you'll be adding a little water. As you can see, I already did. Add a little water. Keep on frying till you see that the oil is on top of the melon. You add in all your, meat, stockfish head, fish, cow skin, being pomo. You do well to mix well again. Green pepper and crayfish. That is what we added earlier. You see how it is. Then we adjust our season cube. We adjust our salt. Then we stir very well. You cook for 3 to 4 minutes. You open, you stir to avoid your food getting burned. Trust me, after doing this food come out well, and the taste is far, far different than the melon soup, What do you think about this? Serve hot. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.